Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Mission Meadows Elementary School, home of the Mustangs in Oceanside, California. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time this school year, right here in the MPR. The focus was revisiting the topic on leadership. The sub-theme was passion to purpose. And we're talking about being leaders. We have to really hone in on and think about what we're really good at, our gifts, our talents, our abilities. Those are our passions, right? The things that make us come alive, that kind of bring us, that fire inside. And we can already at a young age start utilizing a lot of those different skills to go and help others. And that becomes our purpose of why we're even here on earth. So the students really got that, whether their passions are reading, basketball, drawing, you can already start hopefully using those different gifts to go and help others, right? And this means we're trying to shine our light just like stars. That's one of the things that we talk about here in this specific presentation. This is one of the slides from the program that you see on the screen. And this means that we're always trying to, let that light shine, right? Not just in our own hearts and within ourselves, but really thinking about others too. And it's not just about, what are we doing for ourselves? What are we doing for others? And the more that we do for others, we start to shine even more. That means we also have to remember how important and special each of us are. That ties into the concept that I bring up in every assembly. It's so important to me. But all of us with the lines on our hand have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. That M stands for miracle. Upside down, W is for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And once we believe this, now it's our job as human beings, as citizens of this earth, to go out and help others believe this too. Right? To build them up instead of bring them down. So this means we also do the right thing even when no one's watching, or if they're watching, that we remember the priorities in life, what really matters, that it's people first and things second. That we aren't just doing things for the trophy or for money or for accolades. We're doing it because it's heavy on our heart, because it's the right thing to do, right? And when we think about our legacy as well, what we want to be remembered for, hopefully like someone's helping hands, hopefully like a bowling ball compared to a balloon, someone with character, values, that has the courage to stand up for what's right and do what's right, then we really start seeing the change here in this world, right? Every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. And we can choose that each and every day, right? Leaders help to motivate the people around them, and they inspire them. And so that's my encouragement for today, is that these students will continue to go and lead the change, be the change, right? And think that they can do that, believe that they can do that, know that they can do that. So thanks for touching my heart. Another beautiful day here in Oceanside. I'll be back for one more time, one more visit in May. But until then, have a great next few months. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button. You'll see it pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.